In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute audio in Canva video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to silence any sound in your Canva project quickly and confidently. Start by opening the project that contains the audio you want to mute. Once your design loads, look down at the timeline area. You'll see the pages of your video along the bottom, and just beneath those pages is the audio layer. It often appears as a colored bar with a waveform, which makes it easy to spot. If your project has more than one audio track, take a moment to identify the specific one you want to silence so you don't change the wrong sound. Click the audio track you wish to mute. When you select it, a toolbar will appear above the editor. This toolbar provides controls specific to the audio you've chosen, and it's where you'll find the sound options you need. Look for the speaker or sound icon in that toolbar. This is your mute control. You have two simple ways to silence the audio. The first option is to click the sound icon to toggle mute on. When it's muted, you'll usually see a visual indicator, like a slash through the speaker, so you know the audio is silenced. The second option is to adjust the volume to 0. You can drag the volume slider all the way down, or type in 0 if a numeric field is available. Both approaches will effectively mute the audio. A quick note on which option to use. Clicking the mute icon is fast and easy if you want to silence the track and keep it that way. Lowering the volume to 0 gives you a bit more control if you plan to bring the sound back later and want to remember your original level. Either way, your video will play without that audio. Once muted, press play to preview your project in the editor and confirm that the sound is gone. If you muted the wrong clip, just select the correct track and repeat the same action, or use undo to revert your last change. Remember, muting applies only to the specific audio you selected, so if you have multiple clips or tracks, repeat this for each one you want silent. And that's it. Open your project, select the audio in the timeline, use the sound icon or set the volume to 0, and your audio is muted. Keep these steps in mind whenever you need quick, clean silence in your Canva videos. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.